Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install WordPress on Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome and now search for WordPress. So now get WordPress and download it. After downloading it successfully, open your XAMPP panel and now click on the admin button to make table. So click on the new button. Now name of the folder, here it is WP61, and then click on the create button. After that, go to this PC here and then go to your downloads folder. After going to the downloads folder, here you can see the WordPress file. So first of all, unzip the file and then click XAMPP. Afterwards, select htdocs and paste the folder of WordPress under HR docs. Now open localhost tab with folder name. Now select your language and then let's go. So here fill all the requirements and then click the submit button. After submitting it, run the installation by clicking on install WordPress button. And now log in with the admin username and password. And here the WordPress dashboard will be open. So that's how you will install WordPress on Windows 10. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.